the snow flies. On a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mother cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, is another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. Now people, don't you understand? The child needs a helping hand, or he'll grow to be an angry young man someday. Now take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? Do we simply turn our heads and look the other way? Well, the world turns, and a hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the streets as the cold wind blows in the ghetto. And his hunger burns, so he starts to roam the streets at night, and he learned how to steal, and he learned how to fight in the ghetto. Then one night, in desperation, the young man breaks away. He buys a gun, steals a car, tries to run, but he don't get far, and his mama cries as a proud gets drowned, and the angry young lad face down in the street with a gun in his hand in the ghetto. As her young man dies about 6 foot deep on a cold and gray Helsinki day, another little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cries, the sure shot killer, the desert eagle, the great reaper, the heart seeker, the clones that'll put you about 6 foot deep, the gun clappers, the boom shakers, the no-faking body breakers, the soul takers, that smooth operator, the ghetto, the I'ma see you later, the Hawaiian waiting, the stealth killer, the gun thriller, the black body bag filler, the sure shot killer, the desert eagle, the grim reaper, the heart seeker, the clones that'll put you about 6 foot deep, the gun clappers, the boom shakers, the wind shakers, the no faking body breakers, the soul takers, that smooth operator, the party vacator, the I'ma see you later, the ooh I ain't waiting, the stealth killer, the gun thriller, the black body bag filler, the sure shot killer, the desert eagle, the grim reaper, the heart seeker, the crones that'll put you about 6 foot deeper, the gun clappers, the boom shackers, the room shakers, the no faking body breakers, the soul takers, that smooth operator, the party vacator, the I'ma see you later.